Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork dry fry at home, only way. Start by slicing pork thin and patting it dry, then toss with salt, turmeric, chili powder, and 2 tablespoons soy sauce for 15 minutes. Heat a heavy pan until it almost smokes, add pork in one layer, resist stirring for 3 to 4 minutes, then toss until crisp and finish with curry leaves and lemon. Marinating correctly makes the difference between moist pork and a dry mess. Coat the pork evenly with spices, soy, and a touch of sugar to help with browning. Let it rest refrigerated for 15 minutes to 2 hours if you have time, then bring to room temperature before cooking. Patting the meat dry again removes excess moisture and helps the pan develop a stronger, crisp crust when you sear the slices. A hot, heavy pan and restraint are your best tools for a perfect dry fry. Add the pork in a single layer so each piece contacts the surface and forms a crust. Overcrowding causes steaming. After the first 3 to 4 minutes, toss or flip frequently to crisp all sides, then remove excess oil if needed. Add curry leaves in the last minute and finish with lemon to lift the flavors before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.